Hi guys, how you doing? I'm so excited. I'm just excited because of this setup. That's really what I'm excited the most about. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Selena. For those of you who don't know, for those of you that do know, welcome back. We are on video number 2. If you haven't seen the first one is somewhere there. I mean, it's the only other video that's on my page right now. Don't worry, I'm working on it. This look was absolutely inspired by one of my favorite beauty gurus on Instagram and on YouTube. Her name is Karen. Her Instagram and her YouTube is I Love Sarai. I will tag her somewhere in the description box as well, and I'll send you guys over to her YouTube page. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I don't have like a little song or whatever, but I'll get there. It'll come to me. I just need time. I need to be in my, you know. Today we will be playing with, it's a little dirty, I'm sorry, I know I'm dirty, I said this in my last video. So mama got her hands on some Natashadenona, and if you're new to makeup and you don't really know about makeup too much and you're just a beginner, Natashadenona is Gucci, Louis, Prada for makeup. Like, I mean, $189 for a palette. $189, Natasha. Really? I am absolutely obsessed. Like, this palette is amazing, and here are the colors. I thought this was awesome. Like, I love these warmer colors at the top, and then at the bottom you have like your shimmers and your metallic. I'm gonna take Sahara. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna put it in my transition. I kind of like to drag it out a bit, like the transition color. I'll drag it out down here just because I'm all about drama. I just feel like if I'm gonna do an eye look, like, and using color and shadow, I'm just like, let me, you know? Guys, I'm taking the color Tiger Lily right here, and I'm putting it all over. I'm putting it all in my crease with that same Benefitcosmetics brush that I was using. I'm taking Tiger Lily and I'm literally just sweeping in my eyelid. I'm gonna bring it out to the front just a little bit, because when I cut the crease, I want you to still be able to visibly see the blue in the front area. I'm going back in with that color Sahara. I'm taking Sahara and putting it back on top of my transition to like blend out the harsher lines on the end. I'm taking my Morphe M425 and taking my shade tape in light neutral, and I'm just gonna cut my lid just until the middle part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out a little bit, and I'm just gonna, ooh. I'll use that brush, and then I'll use just a little bit of a smaller brush, just something tinier that I can control better. And I know this sounds crazy, but I usually use lip brushes. Like, this is a small precision brush from E.L.F, but I usually use my lip brushes. I'm gonna take the color Laguna, tap and press that color in, just so that it has that like effect of like more blue. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my heavy metal liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just gonna put it where we have that open space at right now for the concealer. And you don't have to re-dip, just use that space up. Like, clear it up with the eyeliner. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna be taking this color in Exotic, this color right here, and I'm gonna use that on top of where I put the liner. So just like this. Okay, now I'm gonna take the color Mint Frost. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna take the color Mint Frost and I'm gonna put it right on top of that exotic color with the Midnight Cowboy. We have an eye. We have an eye. Okay, now I'm gonna take my liner again. I'm using the NYC liquid liner. Okay guys, so this cochina went and fixed the eye. I got eyeliner everywhere here, but I'll teach you guys how to fix that in another time. But right now, we got our liner going. Ooh, you see her? I am going to be taking my Carlajglam lashes in the style Acid. I use regular duo glue. I know some people use like other glue. I also use House of Lashes, but I use my House of Lashes glue like if I'm gonna be out for a long time and doing things all day. But for the most part, I use a duo glue. It works just as good as the House Lashes glue. Excuse my little thing back there. Y'all don't know what that is? My wonderful dog was sitting there on top of my stuff while I was ironing my fabric. I think what I like the most about Carla's lashes is that once you put them on once, that's it. Like, you don't ever have to like readjust them ever again. And putting them on is so easy. Like, Carla, I love you so much. Hey, you ever just look at yourself and just be like, you look so pretty, bitch. You just look so nice. Like, are you looking so nice, bitch? Why you looking so nice? Like, so I'm taking my eyelash curler from Revolve Beauty. Is it Revolve Beauty? It's like Reveal Beauty or something like that. It looks like this. I love it. This is like this little thing right there is perfect for like putting the lashes down. So I'm gonna move you guys back just a bit so that we can just get together with the face. I don't really use primer. I mean, I do. I'm not gonna say that I don't use primer. I do use primer. I only use a primer in like this area, like in my T-zone area, because that's really the area where I have the most, not problems, but like that's really where I get sweaty. That's where I start to like get muddy or look crazy and stuff like that. So I'm taking my E.L.F Prep and Hydrate Balm. I'm trying to like make the, so you guys can see. Take some Fix Plus, MAC Fix Plus, and just, I know I'm all about the hydration. I know this is a lot of stuff to put on your skin before, but I'm trying to tell y'all, either y'all want to be glowy and looking like a bad bitch, or you don't. Pick one, okay? I'm taking my E.L.F Illuminating Moisturizer, and I put that on my skin. I put it where I know I'm gonna highlight. Like, I know I highlight at the top of my cheekbones. I know I highlight like up here on my forehead, so I'll put a little bit up there. I'm just literally hydrating my skin with a whole bunch of moisturizer. This is what I do. And now I'm going to be taking, I'm gonna be using my Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. This is by Philosophy. It's bomb. It smells so good. It is so hydrating. Like, oh my god. Even though I have a lot of moisturizers on already, it feels really good. I love the way this moisturizer feels on, and it gets like kind of tacky, making it really easy to like put, you know, product on top of it. Okay, so now, last but not least, I now take more of a pore filler. So that's what I do. I use moisturizers first, and then I'll add like a spray or whatever, and then I take like a pore filler. So I'm gonna be taking today my Porefessional. I'm gonna take just a smidge, literally just like that, like a pea size, like that. And then I'm gonna put that on my nose. Like, I put that in my nose, I'll put it here. Basically wherever you guys want to blur out pores. So like if you know your face is a little bumpy or whatever in those areas, and that'll be typically where you put the primer. Today I will be taking my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color 10 or 312, sorry, golden. And I'm gonna take that on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna put 2 3-ish pumps. And then I'm gonna take my Sephora drops, these. So I'm gonna put 2 drops of the Sephora stuff, the Sephora Illuminator or whatever, and I'm gonna be taking my M439 and I'm just gonna be dabbing into that and putting it on. Since we're already doing Maybelline, I'm going to be taking my Instant Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna just put that where I normally put concealer, which is under the eyes. I do my little triangle or whatever. Selena, you don't think that that's too much concealer? You don't feel like maybe that's way too much? No. And I am going to be taking, I'm gonna be taking the color Cafe in the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna be using this to cream contour. So I'm just gonna go down here. I know it seems like a lot, but that's because it is. I do the most. And now what I do is I take some more Fix Plus, and then we go to work. We gotta work. I'm gonna take my Morphe Y9. It looks like this. I try to tell you guys about what brushes I'm using because I hate when I'm watching tutorials and they're just doing the tutorial and not telling me what brushes they're using. And it's like, huh? How am I supposed to be like you and be a bad bitch if you're not telling me like what to buy? You know what I mean? So I usually take my cream contour and build. A lot of people say cream contour is a step that you can either take or you don't take. Take it from me, it's a step. And I just feel like either you're gonna do makeup and do it half-assed or you're gonna do the whole way. And I'm just a whole way kind of person. You know what I mean? I'm just a whole way kind of person. My next, so I just finished the under eye. I basically mimicked whatever I put at the top. So like I took the dark blue, put it under there, took a little bit of the Firefly in there, and then I took a bit of that green, and then I added mini frost inside of the inner corners. Yeah. To be honest with y'all, I'm obsessed. Like this ponytail and this hair, they both got mama in her bag right now, okay? I'm going to take my Physiciansformula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep. Oof, oof. I'm going to be using it on a Y4 by Morphe. Just a regular like curved brush. And I basically take the bronzer wherever I put the cream contour. I am now going to be taking my blush, my ABH blush in Peachy Love. Peachy Love. I'm gonna put the blush on. I don't know how anybody goes without blush, but not me. Is she looking like a perra yet? Is she perra enough? Yeah. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty palette. I'll be taking the color Fiji, which is the cream contour in it. And I'm gonna take Fiji just up here. As you know, I get into this tutorial being bougie without the bougiest of the bougiest. ABH highlighter and Amrezy. Taking that to mingling knees. Let me finish up the eyes. This is a sample size of this Benefit mascara, but I have the regular full size one. This just happens to be the one I grabbed right now. So I'm going to be using my They're Real mascara. By the way, this mascara is bomb for the lower lash line. Like, bomb. It's so good. It literally is like extensions for your lashes. I love this mascara. Alright, wait. Now I'm going to be using my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'll close my eyes like these. You don't need this much. You literally need 2 sprays. But I love this spray. I drench my body in this spray. I'm going to take my cork liner by MAC. You guys know I use this all the time. It's again Doseofcolors. And then next, I am going to take my Buxom lip gloss in White Russian. She's feeling it. I'm feeling it. Y'all feeling it? Cause I'm feeling it. Like, I like this look a lot. I think it looks good. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it. I personally am completely obsessed. I love it. I'm gonna recreate it in every color probably. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Aside from that, thank you so much for all the support that you guys give. It really, really, really is the reason why I do any of this. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, wait for the bloopers, because the bloopers is lit. My voices! Fuck. Ma! Please, I just need 20 minutes. Is she looking like a perra yet? Is she perra enough? Not yet? No. Ma! My lips is looking extra. Extra needing some assistance. I need a lip balm. My lips are like dying. They're dying. Crusty crust. Crusty ass lips.